I'm going to show you the power of good branding design.
Let's play a game. Which of these two products feel more healthy? This one, perhaps? Which of these two products feel more eco-friendly? This one? Which of these two products feel like it's made for a younger target audience? This one. Now, which of these two products feel more premium? This one, definitely. Notice how quickly you made up your mind. That's because good branding design has the power to make you choose one brand over the other because it sparks a feeling that aligns with your personal values. Beats by Dr. Dre Studio Headphones sparks a feeling of exquisite sophistication, from the vivid minimalist design of its packaging to the satisfying experience of opening the box and even the shiny UV varnish printing on the letters. Everything screams luxury. You need to understand your target audience's values, i.e., someone who appreciates excellent quality sound, and then deploy visual identifiers and messaging to show that you understand them and believe in the same things. Want to build a premium brand for your business? Then get in touch with us at raven.com.